What is the one thing that can take a good time and make it grand? A great Bluetooth speaker that's powerful enough to fill a room and helps you experience it. We are talking about Bose Arc Pro Plus, a speaker that's about to change how you party. This is a speaker that's not just loud, but smart, immersive, and ready for any adventure. So, are you ready to level up your sound game? Right out of the box, you can tell this isn't your average Bluetooth speaker. This is the new flagship of the Stone Arc series. With a powerful 45 watts of output, it's more than enough to fill any room. And its 78mm drivers deliver a rich, deep sound. But here's where it gets interesting. Bose has packed a signature sound and they have supercharged it with a spatial audio technology. इस स्पीकर में बेस कंट्रोल्ड है, आवाज़ क्लियर है और रूम फिलिंग है। आप एक 12 बाय 12 साइज के रूम में आराम से लाउड म्यूजिक सुन सकते हो विदाउट डिस्टॉर्शन। और स्पेशल साउंड की बात करें तो इसका मतलब है यह आपको साउंड एक्सपीरियंस के एकदम बीच में रखता है। देखो, ये फीचर कोई बहुत ऑसम तो नहीं है, बट डज इट वर्क? हाँ, थोड़ा एवरेज है। नाउ फॉर माई फेवरेट पार्ट, द एस्थेटिक्स। इस स्पीकर में आती है वाइब्रेंट RGB LED लाइट्स। दे क्रिएट अ कूल डायनामिक वाइब दैट्स परफेक्ट फॉर अ पार्टी और जस्ट सेटिंग द मूड। म्यूजिक और LED लाइट्स दोनों ही आप ऐप से कंट्रोल कर सकते हो। You can grab the speaker in either a black or vibrant blue finish. And for those who want to take the party to the next level, the Stone Arc Pro Plus has a feature called Broadcast Mode. इस फीचर का यूज़ करके आप एक साथ बहुत सारे Stone Arc Pro Plus speakers को जोड़ सकते हो एक स्टीरियो इफेक्ट के लिए। It comes with IPX5 water resistant rating. इसका मतलब पूल पार्टी के वक्त भी कोई टेंशन नहीं है। And finally, let's not just forget about the battery. Bose says that the 4400 mAh battery gives up to 12 hours of playtime with RGB lights on. And when it's time to recharge, it will be ready to go in about 4.5 hours. Connectivity के लिए you get Bluetooth version 5.3 and aux inputs. And if a call comes while you are jamming, the built-in microphone lets you take it hands-free. At a price of Rs 4,499, the Bose Stone Arc Pro Plus is a fantastic package. You are getting incredible sound, spatial audio, versatile connectivity, and a tough, stylish design. So, whether you are hosting a party, heading outdoors, or just chilling at home, this speaker has you covered. What do you think? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech videos like this.